In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove black bars from video in CapCut. So, in case you've been trying to remove these black bars from the video either at the top and the bottom or on the left and the right, here's how we can do it easily. So, I've put a green screen here in the back so we can see that it will actually erase the black bars, and then over here I have this random glitch video where, as you can see, there's black bars at top and at the bottom which you would like to remove. This is actually quite simple. Press on the video that has black bars, and then you want to click on this tool right to the left of this Pro tool over here, and if you hover over it, it says crop ratio. So it's the very last tool that is available outside the Pro version. Click on the crop ratio, and this will enable you and allow you to basically crop the image. So where you can see the black bars, in this instance, they're at the top over here, and at the bottom, you can just hold this down, so this kind of rectangular looking thing, and then drag it down to where you can't see the black bars anymore. Then do the same at the bottom, and you're done. In case you're having these black bars at the sides, so left and right, you can simply drag them on the left and the right until you don't see them no more, and then press confirm. So, as you can see, the black bars have now been removed and you're able to see the background, which is green screen in this scenario. You can also, if you go inside the crop, down below you can see the crop ratio, and you can select it as free. So the free is what we just did, and you have 1 by 1, you have different crop ratios, as you can see. So in case you're using any of these, you can quickly remove the black bars by just clicking this as well, okay, which is very easy. As you can see 16 by 9 would fit what we just did by freely dragging this down over here. I could have just pressed 9 by 16, or excuse me, 16 by 9, and there we go. This would have solved the issue. Then press confirm yet again, and you're done. You've successfully removed black bars from your video inside CapCut. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.